Okay, the problems from yesterday. This is one of the problems we did yesterday. We had 2x plus 1 minus 3x minus 3. Okay, the first thing we did after we built it is we rearranged them. Okay, we rearranged so that we put the rectangles, the 2x and the negative 3x side by side, and the positive 1 and the negative 3 side by side. Okay, we collected the like terms together. Okay, the 2x and the negative 3x are like terms, and the positive 1 and the negative 3 are also like terms. Okay, remember the 2x and the negative 3x both have an x on them, and the positive 1 and the negative 3 both are just regular numbers. Okay, and when we simplified those, we combined the like terms. Okay, so I wanted you to get some practice just working with the tiles, but I also wanted you to start to see what exactly is going on. Okay, notice that to get my answer, to get my final answer, if I combine 2x and negative 3x together, all I really need to do is add 2 and negative 3 together and keep the x. Okay, 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. Keep the x. Okay, so there's my negative 1x. And then I can combine my other like terms together, the regular numbers. The positive 1 added to a negative 3 is a negative 2. So I have negative 1x when I combine my x's, and I have a negative 2 when I combine my constants. So I have negative 1x minus 2. You could take the 1 off of that x, kind of like 1x is the same as x, and call it negative x minus 2. Okay, so when you combine like terms, okay, what you're basically doing is you're adding the constant numbers normally together. When you combine the variable terms together, okay, the ones with the x's in them, you add the coefficients, okay, the numbers in front, and you keep the x, you keep the variable. Okay, do make sure you focus on the signs in front of your terms and not after them. And just like we've been doing for a while, treat subtraction signs as negative symbols. Okay, try the next problem and we'll check it over. You may want to pause the video. Okay, we had 5x minus 3 plus x plus 7. If I wanted to do this without pictures, okay, without tiles, I'm going to use red for my x's. I'm just going to focus on my x's for a second. I got a 5x, always keeping the sign in front of it. Okay, it's a positive 5x and a positive x. Include the sign in front when you do this part. Okay, so I need to combine 5x plus x. Keep in mind, the coefficient is understood to be a 1 right there. X is just really 1x. Okay, so we just need to add 5x and 1x together. Okay, add 5 and 1, which is 6, and put an x with it. So that's 6x. Okay, now I'm going to use another color to look at my constants. Okay, the regular numbers. I use green. So when I combine my constant numbers together, I'm going to combine a negative 3. Okay, notice I'm keeping that negative with the 3, and a positive 7. Okay, when I add a negative 3 and a positive 7, I get a positive, make sure you write the positive symbol, 4. Okay, so my simplified answer is 6x plus